Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix unknown error code during application install -24 error on Google Play Store. Okay, so this error happens when you try to download or update an app on Play Store. So I'm gonna show you a couple of methods over here and you can try that out and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay, so method one we have is you have to clear the cache and data of Google Play Store, Google Play Services, Google Services Framework, and Download Manager. Okay, and guys, if you don't see Google Services Framework and Download Manager, then just leave it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So just go to the settings of your phone and find here apps or application manager. So I have apps over here and you need to swipe to the right to all tabs over here and find here Google Play Store. So here I have Google Play Store, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back and find here Google Play Services. So here I have just tap on it and then tap on manage space and then tap on clear all data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back and find here Google Services Framework. So here I have Google Services Framework, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back and find here Download Manager. Okay, so let me find that. Okay, so just tap on it, Download Manager, and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back. Okay guys, so and after that you need to remove your Google account and re-add it again. Okay, and if you have more than one Google account associated, then you have to remove every account. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So again you need to go to the settings of your phone and find here accounts. Just tap on accounts and then tap on Google and then tap on Gmail, tap on these three dots over here and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and you can see guys our Google account has been removed. Okay, and you have to do it for every account if you have more than one. Okay, after that you need to tap on this add account and then tap on Google. So as you can see that it's checking info. Just enter your email and then tap on next. Enter your password and then tap on next. Accept the terms of service. As you can see it's checking info. So you have to scroll a little bit over here and then tap on next. Okay guys, so our Google account has been added. Okay, and after that you need to reboot your phone and go to Play Store and try to download or update an app. Okay, So try this method method 1, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay guys, so suppose you tried this method 1 and it doesn't fixes your issue, then you can try this method 2. Okay, so in method 2 you have to clear the cache and data of contacts and the contacts storage app. Okay, so before doing this, make sure you take backup of your contacts, because it might delete your contacts. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, you have to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So just go to the settings of your phone and find here security. Just tap on it, and here you have this unknown sources. So I already enabled it. Okay, so allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So you just need to tap on this in order to enable it. Okay, so just tap on OK at the pop-up, and it's now enabled. Okay, and after that you need to go to google.com and search for Super Backup App APK. Okay, and download it and install it. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that as well. So just open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So it's opening. Okay guys, so just go to google.com and type over here Super Backup APK, and you will get tons of options over here. You can download it from from the websites over here, from like apps.apk.com, apk4fun.com. Okay, and just download it and install it, and just take backup of your contacts. Okay, so let me show you how you can take backup of your contacts using this Super Backup APK. Okay, so I have it on my phone. So here is the app Super Backup. Just tap on it after you're done installing it. Okay, so you will get this type of interface. Okay, so just tap on contacts and just tap on backup and give it a name. I'm just taking as a default, and then tap on OK. So as you can see that it's backing up my contacts. As you can see, backup completed successfully. Just tap on OK. Backup completed successfully. Do you want to send this backup file to cloud? If you like, you can send it to cloud, but I'm just selecting not now. Okay, and you can easily restore your contacts from here. Okay, so this is really very cool app. You can try that out. Okay guys, so and after that you need to now you have to clear the cache and data of contacts and contacts storage app. Okay, so how you can do that? Just go to the settings of your phone and find your apps or application manager. Just tap on it, and you have to swipe to the right to all tabs over here and find your contacts and contacts storage. So here I have contacts. Just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK, and you need to go back, find your contacts storage. So here I have, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. Okay guys, and just try this method 2, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay guys, so suppose you tried this method 2 and it doesn't fixes your issue, then you can try this method 3. So method 3 we have is your phone requires to be rooted. Okay, so this is only for rooted phones. Okay, so guys, if you had installed app before and uninstalled it without clearing its cache and data, there might be chance that some files are left over. Okay, so we need one app called ES File Explorer. So I'm gonna show you how you can get this app. So you have to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. I already told you in method 2 how you can do that. It's really very simple. And after you're done doing this allow installation of apps from unknown sources, just come to step 2, and you have to go to apkmirror.com and do a search for ES File Explorer, download it and install it. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Just open your browser on your phone. I'm using Google Chrome, and in address bar you need to type this apkmirror.com. So as you can see that it's opening. And just tap on this search icon over here and type it over here, ES File Explorer. Okay, and then just do a search for it. As you can see, it's doing the processing. So here we have so many versions of ES File Explorer. Okay, so just tap on the first one to download it, because this is the the latest version. So just download it and install it in your phone. Okay, so and let me show you. I already installed it in my phone, and so here I have ES File Explorer. Just open the app after you're done installing it. Okay, so here is the interface. So just go to this 3 stack icons, and just tap on it in order to bring the menu, and enable root explorer. Okay, so how you can do that, just expand this tools. Okay, so it's opening, and here we have this root explorer. Okay, so I already enabled it, so you just need to enable it. Okay, so this is really very simple. You can just tap on it and it will enable. And after that you need to go to device, root of your device, and then data, and then data folder. Okay, and just search the package name that the app that you installed it and uninstalled it. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so just tap on this local, and go to your device. So here we have the device. Just go to data folder, and again you need to go to the data folder. So just tap on it. Okay, and here you need to find the package name. Okay, the app name. Okay, so let me show you. Let me minimize this view. Large icon. Currently it is set up to large icon. Let me set up to small. Okay, let me do it to a small list. So here you can see all the apps over here. Okay, so if you find the package name of the app that you installed it before and uninstalled it, so you just need to delete. Okay, so just delete it. Okay, so suppose if I have my let's try this Chrome. Okay, so suppose it's an example. So just tap over here, just press and hold it, and you will get this option, this trash icon. Okay, so and just tap on this in order to delete that. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that because I just wanted to show you the demonstration of that, how you can do that. Okay, And after you're done deleting that, just restart your phone and go to Play Store and try to download or update it. Okay guys, so this is really very simple. You can do this very easily. And okay guys, so suppose you tried this method 3 and it doesn't works out for you. Okay, so you can try this method 4, that is you have to factory reset your phone. Okay, so how you can do that? Just go to the settings of your phone and find here backup and reset. Just tap on it, and here we have this factory data reset. It erases all data on phone. Okay, so make sure you take backup of your phone data before doing that. Okay, so just tap on factory data reset after you're done taking backup of your phone. Okay, and just tap on the reset phone and it will reset your phone. Okay, and after it's done restoring, go to Google Play and try to download or update it. Okay, let me type it, update. I forgot. And also guys, I have note over here. Okay, so it will ask you if you want to backup of your data app from Google server. So make sure you remove the check, then proceed to installation. Okay guys, so try this method 4 and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay, so that's it for this video. Try all these methods and let me know in the comment section whether you are able to fix your issue or not. So thanks for watching and I will catch you in my another tutorials. Bye bye, take care.